Hello, I'm Carolyn Herbert from the Finance News Network, and joining me from Bank of Queensland is Managing Director and CEO John Sutton. John, welcome to FNN.
Thank you very much, Caroline. It's a real pleasure to be here.
Now, can you start by giving us an introduction to Bank of Queensland?
Well, Bank of Queensland is one of Australia's oldest financial institutions. It's been around for 145 years. We run a number of specialty niche businesses in our commercial lending. We also own the Virgin Money brand as well for mortgages. And also we've got the BOQ brand, which has been around serving our customers for many, many years.
And John, now to your FY16 results. What were the highlights?
Well, certainly the highlight for me was our fourth consecutive year of an increase in our cash profit. We're up to 360 million, up 3 million from the previous year, and also our full year dividend of 76 cents.
And what was the dividend and total dividend for the half?
So the total dividend for the second half was 38 cents, full year dividend for the whole year of 76, up around 3%.
And John, what contributed to these results?
Well, we've had some great success in our strategy, particularly in our niche businesses. One I'd like to call out is BOQ Specialist, that actually looks after the needs of doctors and dentists. That's grown. It's actually added about $1.5 billion to the mortgage portfolio. And in the commercial side of the lending to doctors and dentists, that's grown at a very healthy 13%. And also our very exciting news is the release of our first ever Virgin Money mortgage. And over the last few weeks, we've had a great uptake, and we've had over $100 million of applications in that new product.
And John, now to BOQ's strategy. It's really aimed at changing the relationship the bank has with its customers. How's that progressing for you?
Well, that's correct. We don't want to be a mini-me of the big four. We're a bank that is materially different, and we actually concentrate on serving niche commercial customers and their needs. And that's well supported by BOQ Finance, our equipment leasing company, and also what we're doing with Virgin Money in the retail side, and also what we're doing with BOQ. We don't want to be all things to all people, but we certainly do give a much higher customer service. And it's through our unique offering, through our owner manager network, which is a franchise network. A lot of our bank managers and branch managers through that O&B network have been there for 10 years or more. Great longevity, great for customer relationships.
And finally, John, what's your guidance for FY17 and your focus for the next 12 months?
Well, we don't provide specific guidance, but our focus is to continue to execute on our strategies, and you'll continue to see growth in the Virgin brand. You'll continue to see growth in our specialist niche commercial offerings, particularly in BOQ Specialist, and we'll continue to grow our customer numbers. And it's an exciting period of time to be here at BOQ.
John Sutton, thanks for the update on BOQ.
Thank you for having us. It's a real pleasure.